not harmful for your skin, as I've spoken to you on the phone. And what I'm going to do is put your face inside it. Don't get scared. It's just going to go to 2 layers below the skin, you know. You must have seen a lot of skeletons, you know, in your TV or something. So it's basically your body. So this is again your skin. So you don't need to get, you know, like scared or something. It's just your skin. So believe in that. And what I want to do is make you sign this form. This is called a client release form. It just says that I'm not stealing your credit card, but it says that if you've gone through surgery, eye cataract surgery, or you have any skin disease, or you're pregnant, then you're not allowed to go through this machine. But have you gone through any of these recently? No, right? So you can take your time, like you can take your 2 minutes time and probably just sign on this for me. So you can just write your name and your signature, and I can fill in the date. And I just leave this for 3 minutes, which is the usual time that we don't keep the skin inside. And before I do that, you have the pen, right? Okay. I'm going to just ask you a couple of questions. This is a client profile sheet, which everybody who does the SAM should have it. It says, you know, you just ask a couple of questions, which I'll go through them. So I've written her name. And tell me, how much water do you drink in a day?
Maybe 2 liters or even less than that.
Okay. And do you eat a well-balanced diet, like green foods, vegetables?
No.
No. Do you take any vitamins or supplements?
Yes.
Which one?
Selenium.
Man, you need this business. Okay. Just wanted to check with you, you know, before I go ahead. Do you have any skincare needs and concerns? You know, like from the way I can just see you as a layman, I obviously can notice, you know, what I want to change you in your skin. But is there something that you have been wanting for a very long time and it's not been getting achieved by the other products?
I know I think my skin is dry. And
Okay.
I got
Okay.
dark circles.
Okay, that's fine. And okay, I'll probably ask you what products do you use in a regular routine, and do you have any sensitivity to makeup, skincare? Okay, and so okay, we'll just start this right here. I put her face inside the machine. You can pull your chair inside and go a little more inside. I know a lot of people want to go inside. You can just go inside, yeah. Alright, can you come closer?
Maybe you can stand.
Can you come a little more closer? Okay. So I'm not going to share in detail how her skin looks, but I'm definitely going to note it down. Can you come? Okay, come on. Okay, so it's right here, okay? I'm not going to share it with you. I know people are very inquisitive. So now I've already seen her skin, and on the basis of her skin type, I'm going to actually put some products on her face. So I hope you don't mind doing that. Yeah. All right. That's very enthusiastic. Okay. Do you have any makeup on your face?
No.
All right. Wow. I don't get a lot of women who don't come with a lot of makeup.
Yes.
So what you do is basic when you're notice what her skin type is, please go ahead and whatever products you're picking for her, make sure that you're describing it to her, okay? I'm not describing right now because I don't want to make it public. Whatever, usually I take them to the bathroom of my house and do it on their, make them feel comfortable, make them sit on a stool, bar, chair in my bathroom. Make sure that the toilet seat is covered, okay? Because if they're just watching that, you're not at the right state. Alright. What I'm going to do is just do half a face for you. You've already seen how your skin is, right? When you do half a face,
dots or some shiny stuff.
yeah. So when you do that, okay, I was looking for some pencil. Some more here. Yeah, right.
It's a video lyrics.
Alright. So you can actually ask people if they are ready to let you touch your skin. Make sure that your nails are cut, because if they are not, they might hurt them. And if they hurt them, I don't know what they're going to do with you. So make sure, just give them like a decent kind of a massage. Probably you don't know how to give it, but it doesn't matter, You actually give it to your skin every single day. So don't tell me that you don't know how to give it. And when you're doing it on their face, make sure that you are talking, but not a lot. But actually you're just describing them, what exactly is happening to their skin. So this is actually a cleanser that I'm using. I'm not telling what cleanser and stuff, but this is a cleanser. So it follows with a cleanser. Then I'll just put a pack on her face, leave it for like 5 minutes. And start. And I'm done with the cleansing part. So what I do is, with a soft cloth, I just wipe her face, or if you have these tissues, paper towels, you can do that. And alright, so I'll just put this mask, which is usually put like a froth on the face. I want to tell something to the guys. If you think this only women can do, then you're wrong. My upline does it. There are a lot of people here standing next to you who do it. Yeah, so you need to check with them how successful they are and how much money you can make through that. I mean, if you really want to do something, it's not difficult. I usually ask my clients, if they are comfortable in me touching them, and 99% the answer will be yes. They usually like, and make sure that, they are paying you, they are actually paying you for this, so they deserve something nice, and it should be worth it that they actually land up giving you referrals. That's my whole aim, is to get referrals from them eventually, once they are my clients. All right. Alright, so I'm done with the mask.